Hey, hello. And my name is Pat Dees, and welcome to Money Me, where we talk about all things money. I appreciate you taking the time. You see by the thumbnail here, these are going to be stock picks, and I will highlight each stock that I picked. I got 6 stock picks today, February the 5th. This video will come out, and I will tell you the reason why I like them. Now, with that being said, fully disclosure, I am not a licensed financial agent. This is just for educational reasons. These are stocks that I have personally owned or do personally own and like them. Now, when I say like them, if the stock jumps 10 or 15%, I may sell them. So I'm always looking to, I invest, but I'm also a trader. So if the stock performs quicker than I like, these are not stocks to hold for a year or more. You can, obviously. Always please do your own homework, but I appreciate the support. If you guys could give me thumbs up and comment below. And also in the description, if you checked out my latest video, sign up to, if you're interested in opening another brokerage account, not having all your money in one account, sign up to WEBULL and click the link in the description and you'll get some free shares, and I get a free share for just referring you to them. So I would appreciate that support. So let's get into the stock picks. Right now I'm going to share the screen. The first stock is, let me show you, CVS. CVS, and we're going to use the closing price here last night of the 4th. And CVS is $73 a share. Obviously, you guys know CVS is, the pharmaceutical company. We like the stock. We really, what we're going to do here is the stocks that we like. We'll go over real quick and highlight to show you what the profile is of the company. Obviously, you know what CVS is. Is a pharmaceutical. They are actually due to come out with earnings in the next 2 weeks. We think that they're going to be strong and get stronger as they roll out the COVID vaccines. So we're looking price target wise, we're looking for $80 to $85 a share. And full disclosure, we actually personally do own or manage funds that do have money in CVS. The next stock we like is eBay. eBay closed at 61.12 and just came out with earnings yesterday. eBay is a online commerce that sells used goods and people's new goods and stuff like that. Came out with a strong report, and we like that stock. We actually think that really could honestly hit $70 to $80. So we like that stock. The next stock I like is a personal favorite of mine, is Texas Roadhouse. Closed at 85.08. We think once the economy starts reopening again, the market cap of it does over $2.5 billion. It really doesn't have, it has total cash about 330 million, debt about 800. But they own and operate right now. Let's double check. About 400 domestic restaurants and 97 that are franchised. So still think there's a lot of opportunity with growth, and we really think that this is when things reopen and get back to normal, we think this stock could be a $100 stock. So Texas Roadhouse is the third pick. My fourth pick is Dollar General. I tell you, Dollar General is a stock closed at 195.72. I underestimated Dollar General, and part of what I do for a living is I am a shopper for others, and I sell on eBay and Amazon. And through shopping through others, being a personal shopper, I really discovered the Dollar General, and I used to think it's not just your average dollar store. And I say that because Dollar General has the perception of being, dollar stores have the perception of being like junk. There's good quality. There really are, in our area where we live, the mini Walmarts and they're putting them in areas basically every 7 to 10 miles, and you're not having to run to Walmart for everything that you need, because Dollar General is right in the backyard. Now, Dollar General has a 52-week range of 125 to 225. It closed at 195.72. This is a stock that I think could be a trade. It's got a $48 billion market cap. Again, these aren't stocks that I'm recommending that you. To me, almost nothing's hold long term anymore, just because. And the stocks that I'm picking today are based. Everybody, you pretty much know what the names are. So Dollar General 195.72. I have a price target on it of 215 to 220. Okay, the next stock I like is a energy stock, Cinerex Energy, and if you look over the past year, they had touched a low of actually around 15 back in March, and right now are basically sitting near a 52-week high of 46.88. But 5 years, that stock back in 2016, December the 1st, was $135. I think as energy prices are up, I think this stock could definitely get a push, and they are based out of Colorado. They do oil exploration. They explore oil and stuff like that. So I'm 46.88. I'm putting short-term target on it of approximately 55. Now, again, these price targets aren't telling you to sell. This is what I think it could. It could go to 54.50, and I could sell it. And the last stock that I'm picking for the sixth stock is PCAR. I hope I'm saying that right. PCAR is and this caught my attention because the ARC funds is been buying it heavily the last month. ARC designs, manufactures, and distributes light, medium, and heavy-duty commercial trucks in the United States, Europe, and internationally. They operate in 3 segments: trucks, parks, and financial services. So this caught my attention, and as we go through cycles that people are replacing trucks, I really think this could end. I think ARC I think has some sort of knowledge on really what's going on here. 52 to 97. Let's see what the 5-year chart is. It's basically at a 5-year high, but 97.10. It would be a stock that I would be interested in purchasing today at 97.10, and look for about 115. So those are the top 6 picks, February the 5th, that I'm picking for as part of the stocks. I will do this probably several times a year. I wouldn't say it's once a month, because sometimes if I like the stock and I hold on to it, then and I'll probably talk about it in the future if earnings come. So anytime earnings come out on any one of these companies, I'll probably do a nightly chat about it. Something catches my interest, obviously I'll talk about that. So CVS, eBay, Texas Roadhouse, Dollar General, PCAR, and Cinerex Energy. So those are the top 6. I am going to start a challenge next week on Monday with $1,000 buying options and see what we can turn it into. I will basically put the buys and the sells. Typically, I don't want to do no more than 20% of the value of what it is. The goal, honestly, is to take that 1,000 and turn it into 10,000 over the course of the year. Now, that's pretty conservative, actually, in options and stuff like that. So I know it sounds like a lot and stuff like that, but I would just want to show that an average guy, not someone that didn't work on Wall Street or in a bank and stuff, could make money and turn it into something more than you would get into the bank. So these are the type of videos that I'm doing here on the channel. Again, my name is Pat Dees. This is Money Me. We'll be talking about a lot of different things in relation to money. I would appreciate your support. I would appreciate if you guys would subscribe to the channel. And again, if you are interested in signing up to WEBULL, it doesn't cost nothing to join up. I think you can put $150 deposit in the account. They'll give you I think it's 2 shares right now, and I get a share. I had gotten 4 shares so far this year, and it's for free. So it's on your mobile app. If you want to check it out, you guys want to message me, comment below. I'd greatly appreciate it. And thanks for watching.